This is WindPeak, a monumental project in the offshore wind industry. WindPeak represents a new scale in the industry, enabling the installation of maximum offshore wind power.
It gives us a totally new opportunity, both as a company but also as an industry.
These projects are very important for Kongsberg Maritime, and it's been a pleasure to work both with Cadeler and COSCO.
Kongsberg delivered the most comprehensive package to Cadeler, both in terms of the equipment and the support we received from Kongsberg.
Equipped with advanced hybrid electric systems and energy management systems, WindPeak is designed for maximum efficiency and sustainability.
Kongsberg is supplying a big range of equipment for these vessels, a very advanced hybrid electric system and energy management system.
Every single component on this vessel have been well thought through.
WindPeak, a testament to innovation and collaboration, ready to power the future of offshore wind.